Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to disable notifications on Facebook. So let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is go to the settings of your phone. Then scroll down and look for apps. Click See All Apps. Now scroll down and look for Facebook. Or you can use the search option at the top right corner and search for it instead. And click Facebook. Click Notifications. Now all you have to do is click the first button at the top, which is the All Facebook Notifications button, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel if this video helped you.